guys, what's up? Today I have something super exciting to share with you guys. I just got my latest Elite box in from AdoreMe just in time for my birthday. So I'm going to go ahead and consider this my birthday box. It is filled with all of the things that will provide me with self-love, self-care, body acceptance, body positivity. I'm so excited to share with you guys all of the items that I got specifically to celebrate another trip around the sun. So without further ado, let's get into it. Drum roll, please. The first thing I have that I want to show you guys is this amazing lavender baby doll. If this is not the cutest thing you have ever seen in your life, I don't know what is. It is so cute. And it comes with a matching panty. As you guys can see, it is just the cutest set. I mean, this color brings me so much joy. It's incredible what bright colors can do for me. I love colors, as you guys know. And this is something that is fun. It's flirty, and I can definitely just see myself wearing this around the house, whether it be cooking or just watching TV. I love lounging in something beautiful that helps boost my confidence and makes me feel amazing. The next thing I got in the box is this amazing black and white piping detail pajama set. Has white piping detail around the collar here as well as the cuff sleeve, and it comes with a pair of long pants to match, again with the white piping detail on the bottom here. And when I tell you guys, this material is just so good. It's so good. It's so soft. It's stretchy. It's just, it feels like butter. And I feel like we should all have a classic pajama set in our wardrobe that makes us feel sophisticated and sexy at the same time. And it's classic. It will never go out of style. We can wear this forever. And it's also super cozy and comfortable. So we should all have something like this in our pajama drawer. Next up is this amazing, God, I've said amazing like 12 times because everything is amazing and I love everything. Okay, next up is this bra and panty black lace set. And I am obsessed with these panties, and I'll tell you why. So sure, they look like a high-waisted panty, but then they have this amazing high-waisted band that goes around your empire waist. It is just so cute. And I also love the hardware detail on both the panty and the bra. It kind of reminds me of like a corset closure. The bra has wide straps. They are adjustable. It is lined. As you guys can see, the cups are lined. It also has a regular bra closure in the back here. And I don't know about you guys, but this is super sexy. And I feel like black lace is just classic. And also it's a little bit edgy at the same time because it has the silver hardware. And I just love, love, love. And I can't wait to wear this. Okay, you guys, we have arrived to my most favorite set in the entire box thus far. It is this red satin bra and panty set with such an amazing, cute bow detail. Essentially, it's like a chap style undie, and then the bow goes over your booty. I love it. And same sort of idea with the bra. As you guys can see, the bra doesn't really, it just has the underwire there, and then the bow goes over the top. Because it's my birthday, I feel like I should wrap myself up in bows because it's a day to celebrate. And so I just love this. This is also great for holidays. Holidays are coming up. This is great, great, great. Love the satin detail, love the bow detail, and I'm obsessed with this. So yeah. Last but very not least is this plush, amazingly soft and sweet emerald bathrobe. And this is the nicest color I've ever seen in my entire life. Can we please talk about this color, you guys? This color is so good. And I feel like everybody should have something like this in their life. This is so good. I love wearing a bathrobe when I get out of the shower as I'm getting ready, or just to kind of stay warm in my house during the cooler months because I do live in a winter cold climate. I also love wearing this when I'm cooking or just like lounging around the house. I mean, and this color, I'm probably just gonna live in this for the next 4 months while it's winter here in the northeastern part of the United States. I also suggest getting something in emerald because this is just, I feel like it's just fit for a queen. Ooh, this is just so good. I am obsessed with this, guys. I feel like everybody needs to have this in their life. And perfect way to end my birthday box, because now I'm gonna go snuggle up on the couch in my robe and celebrate another year around the sun. Alright guys, so we have officially made it to the end of the unboxing of my latest Elite box from AdoreMe, aka my birthday box. I spend my birthday every year filling myself up with self-love and self-care. And I love the fact that I got these pieces in to help with the celebration of my day of birth. And I am so glad that AdoreMe can be part of my special day. I love lingerie. I love undergarments. I love things that help me take care of me and my body and my mental health and my self-care, and it helps me boost my confidence, and it just really helps me love the skin that I'm in. And at the end of the day, that's what this is all about. We are all shaped and sized so differently, and we all deserve to wear things that make us feel beautiful and that will help boost our confidence and help boost our self-love. So anyways, thank you guys so much for allowing me to inspire you. Go check out AdoreMe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!